Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 25th through February 6th. Models depict some breakdown and a slow migration of the amplified ridge along the west coast of North America and a trough over eastern North America for January 25th to the 29th. This will maintain the dry pattern across the west and below normal temperatures and possibly some unsettled weather in the east. A mid-level north-northwest flow near the North American coast ridge will carry a series of mid-level clipper waves that will produce a swath of wintry precipitation from the northern plains to the Great Lakes, across the Appalachians, the Mid-Atlantic, and the Northeast. Upward support and lowering heights is forecast to track through the Appalachians, the Mid-Atlantic, New England on Sunday, with another batch of Arctic air spreading south. Now, anytime with this flow we have a series of clippers, any one of those could intensify and bring another more snow to the Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast, and that might just happen early next week. Okay, now this is the Canadian. And here we see we have a weak system here moving across in that flow. Further to the north, it's light snow. And you see it's gone by early Friday morning, so we're not expecting a problem with that. Then later on we get to Saturday. Here's another system. Here's another system that moves across the Great Lakes into the Northeast. This is 1 a.m. This is later on early Saturday morning, and then we get to 1 a.m. early Sunday. It's gone. Then we have another system, I think, here, another weaker system. Now, most of them all show the same thing, except for let's see if the European. The European deterministics for Sunday into Monday show a possible coastal low development down here off the Mid-Atlantic coast, and that bears to be watching. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for January 28th through February 1st, and the pattern is forecast consists of a trough over the eastern Pacific, a western North American ridge, and a broad trough over the east. So this is what we're looking at now is the GEFS. Here's the GFS, all basically showing the same thing. And then we're looking at the European ensembles, all showing basically the same thing. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast for precipitation. I'm forecasting below normal precipitation for this region. Now we're going to look at the period for February 2nd to the 6th, and the models are not in very good agreement during this period for February 2nd to the 6th. Most models and the ensembles indicate some retrogression of the pattern, while others predict above normal heights across Alaska, below normal heights across the north central states, and above normal heights across the southern states as the GFS. So we're going to look here at the forecast models. This is the GFS. So we're going to go all the way out here. And you can see below normal heights here. You can see above normal heights here, below normal heights here, above normal here. And then you see the other models. Kind of showing almost the same thing. And then we go to the European ensembles. I think that's the only one that keeps below normal heights in the east and above normal heights in the west. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and across the southeast. So that has been the long range weather forecast discussion for January 25th through February 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.